Hello, hello, and welcome back to our last Tuesday of school. Tomorrow you're going to be big bad sixth graders. I can't wait to see you guys again in the fall. You're going to be the best sixth grade class ever. So, let's look into our last day of math. Remember, tomorrow's math is highlighted, but we decided to give you some social studies projects and fun things like that to do instead. So you do not have to do what's on there tomorrow. You can if you want, and I'll make a video, but it's going to be mostly about what's left in your packet and what you guys can use over the summer. It won't be anything major like what I've been doing for the last few weeks. So, there is already a video up going on about this. Make sure you check that out. We'll pull out your story problem in just a few seconds. I said it in the other video, but please, 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 please practice your facts over the summer. You only had, I think, 7s and 9s left that we didn't get to. I can't tell you how helpful that will be to you to just know your facts for next year. You're going to do a whole lot with fractions and some other stuff like that knowing your facts really quickly will be the best thing you can do for yourself. So please finish practicing those up. And then you have your fraction game that you can play as well. But right now we need to look at this story problem. So it says, Alex made 2 liters of juice for breakfast. If he pours the juice equally into 5 glasses, how many liters of juice will be in each glass? Okay, so you can think, if it helps you to visualize it, think about those bigger pops that you can buy, little 2 liters of pop, except it's juice. So he's got 2 liters of juice for breakfast. He pours the juice, I'm going to underline equally just so I know about that. Pours the juice equally into 5 glasses. So how many liters of juice are in each glass? So we're dealing, make sure you get your sentence in. Make sure you consult your label here. I'm dealing with an amount of liquid in each glass, so what label makes sense for that? If you're thinking liters, good job. So I'm going to draw my starting bar. I'm dealing with juice in a glass, and I'm measuring it out in liters. That's done by a capital L. Make sure you get that on there. Make sure it's capital too. That's how you mark it. I only have the 1 set of juice, so I'm only going to do the 1 bar. So far, so good. Now I need to fill in my parts here. Do I know a total or any of my parts? Well, I can see right here I have a total amount of juice. So I'm going to put that at the end. How many things am I putting it into? Seems to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is, how much is in each glass, or just look at the 1 glass. So, you've got to figure this out. I've got 2, and I need to divide it into 5 parts. This is going to look like this. I'm only doing this because we've only done one other one like this. If I have to take 2 and divide it into 5 parts, you guys know that 5 doesn't fit into 2. I need to add place values onto that. What do I do for that situation? If you're thinking drop in a decimal and add a 0, you are absolutely correct, because now I have the ability to have enough place values to work that 5 into it. You just need to remember what to do with your decimal. So make sure you get an appropriate answer. Make sure your answer makes sense. Make sure you add in that decimal so that your answer can make sense. And I hope you guys have just the best summer. Happy almost 6th grade day. Have a good one.